Max was established in 1942. The company was named Yamada Air Industry Co Ltd. And manufactured aircraft parts requiring the highest level of metal processing technology. In 1945, the company was renamed Yamada Kogyo Co Ltd. And began producing office equipment. Back then, documents were usually bound with string, but we released our first stapler in 1946 and astonished the world. We then began developing a small-sized stapler and released the SIC-10, the first Japan-made handy stapler in 1952. The price of staplers was cut by more than half, and they became used more widely personally and not just in the office. As the device became more common, Max became a synonym for the word stapler in certain markets in the world. Max continued to lead the market, developing flat clinch staplers in 1987, the first in the world to flatten the back of the staple. We have sold more than 500 million units to date. Making use of our stapler technology, we released the first Japan-made hand tacker in 1958 and the first Japan-made pneumatic nailer in 1962, marking our full-scale entry into tool development. In 1969, we expanded into the agriculture and food field, releasing the tapener, a tape binding tool for agriculture and gardening. In 1990, we created a new market by digitizing office devices such as the label printer BPOP. We developed the world-first rechargeable rebar tire RB260 in 1993. As a rebar tire pioneer, we have continuously updated our models and contributed to improving work efficiency and reducing the physical burden on workers. We entered the home environment equipment market in 2000. And our dry fan brand of bathroom heater dryers has become highly regarded. Since our founding, Max has grown as a manufacturer of many world-first and Japan-first products. At the root is a manufacturing spirit focused on user satisfaction, passed down since our founding. With a drive to meet the needs of our customers and their workplaces, we are creating original, unique products that capture the changes in the times and society in 6 areas. Office equipment, auto staplers, industrial equipment for construction site products, agricultural and foods for agricultural and gardening products, home environment equipment, and home care and rehabilitation centered on wheelchairs. We are currently expanding the production and sales around the world. Max's mission is to continue to create products wanted by users around the world, and we will keep contributing to society by making private life and work life more convenient and efficient with our products.